just come out too, dude. See him?
Right there, yeah.
He's shooting right out. Ah, watch, he's gonna fight.
Look at this. He come back after a guy.
Ready?
Oh yeah. Spit that one, you cocksucker. Oh. Fucking, they getting feisty now? The sun's coming out or what? Look at that. Fucking, there you go. I was gonna say, I just see something hit yours.
I love that, dude.
A pretty good sized one.
Oh, yeah.
Boom.
Blackback.
Back for it. Oh, there's a feisty little fucker.
Dude, I'll weigh you right out. Look at this one. He's not even fighting, dude. Look at that.
Jesus. We found the big ones.
Veronicus.
That was a shithead guy. That was pretty goddamn much. That's a good size one right there. Look at that fucker. It's one of the bigger ones of the day. Phew. Oh, there we go.
Nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
Boom. Boom.
Jesus, looks like the same freaking one. Oh. One's over here don't like the bite good.
Jumping over there. Dude, it's like the 16th or 17th dragonfly that's fucking landed on me.
Getting into the fucking baby ones. This little thing. Oh!
Hey, hold on, I'm gonna feed it to this one. Oh, this one? Either feisty or good size. Maybe a little both.
He just
Oh,
took
yeah.
it right in front of the boat.
Oh, yeah.
I watched him follow it for a ways. Ah, dude. It's one of them ones that just come out.
The fun.
Jesus. It's not even a big one. Dude, look at it. Nice. Give him a little break.
No, that's a good one. Oh, fuck yeah, that's a good one. Boom! Ooh.
I did have one. Look at this little thing. That's a brook trout.
Huh?
Huh? What's this?
Put it in his mouth.
What's this?
Oh.